You're actually not allowed to have donuts. No, you're not allowed to have donuts.
I'm going to the bathroom. Can I have some privacy?
Don't need chapstick. You're a bird. Ow! Hey, stop. Stop biting. Stop biting.
What are you doing back there? What are you doing in the fridge? Chester? What food are you trying to steal?
I know, there's something new on my arm. What is it? What the heck? This is cracking me up. What are you doing? Here, come out of my arm. What? No! No pumpkins!